Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, known issues with graphics driver, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So first off, this issue can be temporarily fixed if you just press OK on it and then the game will restart and then start for you and you can play the game. But if for some reason it doesn't start, then what you can do is you can just close this up. You can open up your start menu, you can write here run and then you're going to write here dx and here you're going to find what your graphics card is. So you're going to go to your display and you'll have your graphics card here or here. You're just going to find the name of it and after that you're going to search your graphics card here. So if you have, let's say, Intel HD 4000, you're going to search for Intel HD 4000 graphics drivers and then you're going to go to the Intel website and you're just going to download this Intel graphics cards driver and you're going to go ahead and install it. And then once you're done installing this graphics driver, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.